hand on the top of the wheel. Come on, OG. Come on, let me hit that motherfucker. Breathe. God damn, what the? What that motherfucker nasty, boy. 1, 2, 3, go! God damn. Y'all see it. God damn. God damn. That joke too fucking nasty, bro. Lord have mercy. Caught some smoke on the way home. What is y'all doing?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, for a Scatpack, that ain't do bad for against a V.
And we fully loaded.
And we fully loaded in this jump. What up, nigga? I think we can probably cut up with a 2024 Hummer. This jump sweet as shit though, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all see that camera? It's a 2024? It's a 24? This junk sweet. What's the price tag on this? 100 and some change? God damn. Is it fast? I want to see how fast. Yeah, let's see how fast right here.
You want to run for your money, boy. Damn, they just deck right here and damn.
Oh my God. I'm about to see the cats, the cat pack. Oh, shit! Shit!
Oh my God, they go fast as shit.
I just walked them though, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, that joint took the
That joint did take off. Oh my God. Is that TRX?
TRX.
It's TRX?
Flick. That's him.
That's
Do
definitely him.
TRX! Damn, that's so nasty, boy.
We got a little new car part for the car. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is yet. I'm gonna just open it. And then y'all gonna see. So what I'm gonna do is take my hood off. Oh, with a, I think it's a 13 millimeter. So socket you want to take these out with 13. I'm just cracking them, getting a little loose.
Where we putting it at? We got to put it in the grass over there.
What is that Scatpack? show y'all what this shit look like. Oh, hood. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. My phone is about to die. So, I'll catch y'all when we get back to the garage. Appreciate you, bro. Damn, I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, they stepped on his shit in the warehouse.
Oh, for real. But
Pull that.
pull it, nigga. Luca came to save me. All just for me. Who is this? Wait. Oh, that's Smurf. I was about to say.
You gonna let him do that, Wiz? You gonna let him do that? Oh, man. Oh. What was that?
Show me some. Show me some. Huh.
Oh my stars, y'all see it. What that white scat doing? Come on, bro, you back there, bro. Look a little funny in that joke, though. Gotta give his ass that thumbs up. You got that driver. Where that white scat at? Lost him. You see it? Excuse me, brother. On top of shit like toilet paper. Oh, what is that? Somebody threw their car seat out the back. Damn. What's that?
You know, it's that motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Like, right here, the light, he done seen all these motherfuckers. What's it called?
Boy, just help.
That nigga got it down on one knee.
It's like a bike meet. No cars, just bikes. You said what?
But that old ass song.
Man, I'm about to go tell TRX to do some. Hey, bro, this nigga said he was coming out here just to drive. Look at y'all how it's parking.
That B5 blue. Quick cut up. Real quick for y'all. Real quick for y'all. I can't tell me I'm not becoming a threat, man.